Students, today we will understand question number 4 and 5 of exercise 8.3. Now, according to question number 4, there are two cases are given. Okay, so I'm just reading out the question. I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest. Okay, in the first case, I'm borrowing the money from Jamshed. That is how much money I'm borrowing? 12,000 rupees at the rate of 6% per annum simple interest, not compound interest. Simple interest for how many years? 2 years. Okay, now in the second sentence, it is asked that had I borrowed this sum, means if I would have borrowed the same sum from Jamshed at 6% per annum compound interest, not in simple interest, but if I would have taken the 12,000 rupees at the rate of 6% at per annum compound interest for same number of years, that is 2 years, what is the extra interest that I would have paid? So this is the question. So the first thing that I would be doing is I would be saying that how much the interest value I would be paying if the rate is at simple interest. So according to the formula, simple interest is what? P into R into T by 100. So simply you just put the values. It's a very simple sum, though it sounds little complicated, so do not be afraid. Now see, so this is how you exactly have to do. So easy, isn't it? So 6 over 12, 12 12s are 144. So this is the interest I would have given to Jamshed if the rate percent is at simple interest. Now I will see that what is the interest I would have paid to Jamshed if I would have taken the money at 6% per annum at compound interest level. So the first thing for compound interest, what I have to do? I have to get the value of amount. So this is what the formula is. Always write the formula because formula is very important. So 1 plus 6 by 100 par 2. Okay, so 1200. Now you have to solve the bracket. So this is the LCM. 6 to the power 2. So 12,000 into 106 on 100 square. 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. So reduce this. Okay, so 12 into 106 into 106 upon 10. So you have to reduce it and you have to get the answer. So answer would be what? So the answer is 13,483.2. Okay, so this is the amount, isn't it? So we have to find the simple compound interest. The compound interest is amount minus principal. So amount is 13,483.2 minus what was the principal? 12,000. So after you do the subtraction, you will get the answer as 1438.2. So this is compound interest and this is simple interest. So which is greater? 1438, 1438.20 paisa or 1440? Which one is greater? Obviously simple interest is greater, isn't it? So what extra amount? Therefore, sorry, there is a little mistake. There would be 83, not 38. Okay, 83. So that is the reason I was thinking that why this value is coming less. This value has to come more than the value of this one. So what is the extra amount that I have to pay? One, so this is greater, 1483.2. So you will write the extra amount I have to pay is 1483.2 minus 1440, isn't it? So the final answer is 43.20. Okay, so this is the extra money that I would have to pay if I would have taken 12,000 rupees at 6% per annum compound interest. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 4. So let's move on to sum number 5. Yes, this is sum number 5. Question number 5, and question number 5 again have two cases. So in the first case, they have said that the principal amount is given 60,000 rupees and the rate is 12% compounded half yearly. Okay, compounded half yearly. So we have to use the half yearly formula, students. And n is given in the first case, the value of n is given 6 months. So always remember, when the time is given in the month form, you have to always convert it into the year form. And how to do that? You have to divide that particular value by 12. Okay, that is 6 by 12. If you reduce it, you will get the answer as 1 by 2 years. Okay, what I said, you remember, all of you, that whenever you see that if time is in the month form, you have to convert that particular form into the year form. Okay, so in doing that, you have to divide it by 12. Now let's start, as because it is written compounded half yearly. So which formula we have to use? You have to use the half yearly formula. That is R by 2 into 100 to the power 2n. Isn't it? Now what is P? 60,000. What is R? What is R? R is 12. 2 into 100 and 2 to the power, what is n? N is not 6 months, but we have converted into year form. So what is year form? 1 by 2. So we'll write 1 upon 2. So this 2 will be cancels. This is why I was saying it is so important to convert the month form to yearly form. Now 2 6 are 12. Now 60,000 into, now we will solve the bracket. That is 100 is LCM. So here would be 100 and here would be 6. So there is 1, so we don't write 1 out here. Okay, so 60,000 into 106 by 100, reduced is 2 zeros, so answer will be 600 into 106. Just find the product and you will get the first part answer. So the first part answer is 63600. Okay, now let's move on to the second part of sum number 5. Now this is the second case of question number 5. Principal and rate is absolutely intact, but only what they have changed is n. That is, now previously it was 6 months, now it is 1 year. It is already in 1 year form, so nothing to do about it. So let's write the formula again. What formula? Which formula? Half yearly formula. Absolute tree. R by 2 into 100 to the power 2n. Now write the value of principal. Now what is R? 12 upon 2 into 100. And what is n? 1. Isn't it? So 60,000. If you reduce it, just like we did in the previous part. So it will be 1 plus 6 by 100 to the power 2. Now we'll solve the bracket. We'll solve the bracket. So it will be 100 LCM. So it will be 100 plus 6 to the power 2. So 60,000 into 106 by 100, as because it is 2. Okay, just let me write. Okay, so this is 60,000 into 106 upon 100 into 106 upon 100. So now just reduce the zeros. Now it will look like 6 into 106 into 106. Okay, so what will be the answer? So the answer is 67416. Okay, so this is the amount that Vasudevan has to pay after 1 year at 12% compound interest half yearly. Okay, so this is the assignment for today, sum number 4 and sum number 5. Okay, thank you all of you and take care.